In this video, we're going to walk through replacing the water in your chiller. This is something that you should probably do at least once a quarter. You can do it more frequently if you want, but you don't really need to. But you should do once a quarter. So we are going to start by removing the cap for the water inlet, which is the big silver cap, and then we're also going to remove the cap on the water outlet, which is the drain. We're going to drain all of the water out there. Removing the water inlet cap makes it so that it doesn't get airlocked as it's draining, and this process can take a little bit. Once we've got it drained out, we're going to go ahead and grab our distilled water, and we are going to refill our chiller with distilled water. You can use a funnel if you want, but it's not necessary. Replacing the water at least quarterly will help prevent algae from growing in your chiller. If you're not doing it that often, you may want to consider flushing your system a couple of times with fresh distilled water. You might even consider adding an algicide to it. And then if you know you're not going to change it at least once a quarter, you may consider adding like a aquarium grade algicide to it just to help prevent algae buildup. If you do get algae building up in there, it can limit your water flow and cause your laser to overheat. There's 3 levels on that indicator back there: alarm, normal, and full. I usually fill mine up about 3/4 of the way up the normal indicator line. Once we get full, we're just going to put our cap back on, and there you can see I'm showing you where my water line is. Once we've got it filled back up, I like to watch the water flow through the laser tube just because it's not something we see all that often. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the laser tube compartment, and then I'm going to walk over, and when I turn the laser on, you'll be able to see the water rush through the laser tube and just start to fill the laser tube, which I think is really neat. Anyways, that's how you change the water in your chiller for your laser. Thanks for watching.